Good morning students, this is Pati ma'am from USCDDAV Public School, and as we have completed the poem Body Will You Pet, we are in a position to discuss the understanding the poem. Okay, in this unit students, what it has been said is here the child offers, what all things the child offered and how the bird prefers her original things, the natural things, that will be compared. Okay, you will be finding all these things among it. You can see velvet bed, silken quilts, pillow of satin, necklace made of diamonds, stones and jet, dish of silver fret, a golden cup, ivory seat and soft carpets. These all things are the child's offerings to the bird. And how the bird, what does she do? She neglects them all. Okay, I would rather sleep in the ivy wall, the feather necklace round and round, the forest hole, a rocking twig, softest path lie through the air. So students, you can see you will be writing in the same pattern as I have done in it, and you will be well in it. Now here are the given some of the extracts from the poem. Okay, these are the extracts, 4 lines in A and 4 lines you can see in B2. Now what you have to do is, there are some questions asked in it. You have to answer it properly according to the poem. Okay, now I would rather sleep in the ivy wall. No rain comes through though I hear it fall. The sun peeps gay at dawn of day, and I sing and wing away, away. Okay, now who is I in the above line? As you all can know, who is telling these all things? The body is telling. You will be writing the body. Ivy is a plant. What does the bird want to convey by describing it as a wall? Now student, she says that no rain comes through though I hear it fall, and I would rather sleep in the ivy wall. Ivy is a plant, climber plant. Okay, now wall is a concrete thing which gives us protection. We all are also in a shade in our home. Okay, now a concrete base has been defined by telling it the ivy wall by the bird. Okay, she wants to show the confidence she has and how the natural habitat of hers is better than the cage. Okay, now in the third, what does the speaker prefer ivy wall to? What does the speaker prefer ivy wall to? The speaker prefers silken quills, velvet bed and pillow of satin. As you can remember from the poem, these all were the offerings from the child, and the body preferred ivy wall to it. So students, moving to section B. In B it has been given a feather necklace round and round that I wouldn't sell for 1,000 pounds. What is the necklace offered by the child made of? What was the necklace offered by the child made of? Diamond, jet, amber, these all things. Okay, and what is the necklace that the bird has made of? That is of feather necklace, feather. Okay, and which necklace does the bird prefer and why? The bird prefers the feather necklace because it was a natural gift from the god, and she would not give it even if she is being offered 1,000 pounds. Okay, now likewise students, you can define, you can describe, you can explain each and every extract of the poem, and likewise you can write it all. Hope I have made it all clear and you will be able to do A and B. Now I will meet you tomorrow again with a short video like this and explain the contents. Thank you.